Hello, it's Dr. Jagdeep. In this video, I will going to tell you about treatment of constipation. When a person does not go to the toilet since 2 to 3 days, he become anxious that his bowels are not cleaning. There are a number of ways in which you can treat your constipation, such as lifestyle changes. If you want to treat your constipation for the entire life, secondly, allopathic treatment medicines, thirdly, Ayurvedic treatment. I will tell you about each of these way of treating this constipation in some details. If you will listen these details carefully, you can easily treat your constipation at home only. There is no need to go to the to approach any doctor for treatment of constipation. I will tell you in such a nice way that you can treat your constipation at home. Firstly, the lifestyle changes are, first of all, you should take into you should see whether you are consuming water in sufficient quantities or not. Water should be consumed daily in quantity, that is 2 to 3 liters. At least 2 to 3 liters of water should be consumed daily to prevent constipation and to treat it, of course. Secondly, you should see that if you are have a sedentary lifestyle, that you remain sit or remain, some patient remain lie in the bed, they are bedridden and are unable to walk in them, constipation is also a problem. So for that, you should walk for at least 10 minutes daily briskly. That will help to prevent constipation. Thirdly, in the lifestyle changes, the food you eat should have sufficient quantity of fibers in it. If the food you eat is deficient of fibers, then it's natural that you will suffer from constipation. Your bowel will not clean daily. Your stool will become hard and you will become any victim of other problems such as piles, fissures, abdominal pain, anorexia, loss of appetite. So it's very important that your bowel should move daily. You should clean daily so that your body is not affected by other problems. So three lifestyle changes I have told you, that is the sufficient quantity of water you should eat, your food should you should walk at least 10 minutes daily briskly, and thirdly, your food should be rich in fibers, that is whole grain bread you should eat, whole grain bread, brown bread you should eat. Now secondly, I come to allopathic medicines. In allopathy, there are a number of medicines that can be used to treat constipation. They are very effective. Within one day, you will get a loose stool, your bowel will clean. But Their limitations is that if you will use them allopathic medicines daily, then they will produce side effects. They will uh, harm your body if you will use them daily. So, and Ayurvedic you can use daily to prevent constipation and to treat it. But allopathic you cannot use daily. In allopathic treatment, one drug is Isfagula husk. Isfagula husk, 1 teaspoon, taken daily after meals or before meal, will lead to will help in treating constipation. It can be taken daily without any side effects, but it will take some time. It will take at least 6 to 7 days to treat your constipation, and you have to use it regularly. How to use Isfagula husk? Now I will going to tell you. Take 1 teaspoon of Isfagula husk and dissolve it in 200 ml of water. Leave it for at least 5 to 10 minutes. It will absorb some quantity of water. It will become sometimes like semi solid, and then you consume it either before or after your meals. It will lead to soft stools within 6 to 7 days, but it will take time. Secondly, in allopathic medicines, if you want your bowel to be clean within 6 to 7 hours, need fast action, then you can use Bisacodil. Bisacodil 5 milligram tablet, that is a stimulant purgative class of drug, is helpful. This Bisacodil, taken after meals, after dinner in the night, 1 tablet, will produce semi-solid stools in the morning. It's highly effective, but its limitation is that it should not be used daily. If you will use Bisacodil daily, it will produce side effects. So you can use, at the most you can use it once per week. Once per week will not produce any side effects. There are other allopathic medicines such as liquid paraffin, senna, and stool softeners such as docusets. But in my practice, I am using Bisacodil, and it has wonderful results. It will clean your bowel, your this intestines in 6 to 8 hours. But my request is that you should not use it daily because it's harmful. Now, lastly, we come on Ayurvedic treatment. Now, Ayurvedic treatments are also effective, but they do not have such fast actions. They will take time to produce results. In Ayurvedic treatment, you can use certain fruits such as pear, guava, apple, papaya. These are fruits. If you will consume daily after your meals or before your meals, will help produce soft stools, soft potty, soft faces in 7 to 8 days. But it will take time to clean your bowel to treat constipation. In Ayurvedic treatment, if I tell you more about Ayurvedic treatment, then in Ayurvedic treatment there is one good treatment is that you take raisins, 20 to 25 raisins, remove their seeds and then boil in 200 ml of milk. If this preparation is consumed after dinner in night every day, it will also treat your constipation. So this is all about treatment of constipation. Hoping that this will help you, I will pray to God that all persons with constipation get proper treatment through my advice. Thank you.